Affordable. Co-payment should be reduced or eliminated. My solution on the war on drugs would be to have a better security. They should have more cops and guards on the streets, law enforcement. They need to protect it. People from violence, from drugs and dealing. If people have drug problems, they should go to rehab. But there should be really cheap or free rehab centers. Because if they can't go to rehab, then how would they deal with their problem? How would they get better and stop their problem if they can't go to rehab? Therefore, it should be necessary that there be more cops on the lookout for those on drugs or dealing drugs. If there were more cops and law enforcement on the lookout, that could help prevent violence from the drug war and drug dealing. Issues: using too much energy. Solutions: solar energy. Besides using gas, we use electricity. Get the electricity from solar power. Fans that get energy from the sun. So no more gas prices are going high and no more electricity bills. You can also use water for hydropower. Abortion, solution, pro-choice. Everyone has a choice no matter what the issue. Hopefully abortion isn't the solution, but it might have to. Drugs shouldn't be available to anyone, and the enforcement that they're putting on them is perfectly fine. Drugs should be legal for only medical purposes, and making them legal and open for public uses will ultimately cause more problems. Bureaucracy. It doesn't have enough regulation. For instance, the government has made it the law to have insurance if you drive a car, yet they don't regulate a limit on how much they charge. Also, the bureaucracy of healthcare. There needs to be a basic and free healthcare provider for all Americans. The idea might be also to read other people's work. I'd like everybody right now, listen up, I'd like everybody right now to exchange your compositions with the table next to you. Get up, walk over to a table next to you, exchange the books.